Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Begum Commodore Mehboob Ilahi Malik, Sitara Imtiaz Military, has arrived in the parade ground. Welcome her with huge applause.
Parade Commander!
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. This is Cadet Usama of class 2nd year with you for the further proceedings. You can see from the left, Chief Cadet Captain Bilal Sarwar, today's parade commander, enters the parade ground. He holds the highest appointment of the college.
मौजूद ख़वातीन व हज़रात, आप देख सकते हैं चीफ कैडेट कैप्टन बिलाल सरवर परेड ग्राउंड में मार्च करते हुए दाखिल हो रहे हैं।
Now, the Chief Cadet Captain cautions the college band to march in.
Parade Commander!
Ladies and gentlemen, you can see the college band marching in. It plays a vital role in the parade, and this is done none other than our junior cadets. Cadet Samir leads the college band. He is the band commander. Behind him, the two div commanders, Cadet Hakim and Cadet Daniel, follow him. This charming display of college band is a result of lot of training and practice.
मौजूद ख़वातीन व हज़रात, आप सबके सामने कॉलेज बैंड परेड ग्राउंड में दाखिल हो रहा है। ये दस्ता जूनियर कैडेट्स पर मुश्तमिल है और इस दस्ते की क़यादत कैडेट समीर कर रहे हैं। कैडेट समीर का ताल्लुक लतीफ़ हाउस से है, जबकि दो डिव कमांडर्स कैडेट हाकिम और कैडेट दानियाल इनके हमरा हैं।
Now, the Chief Cadet Captain cautions the parade to march in. And gentlemen, 8 houses march in from the two sides. In order of merit, they stand today. From the left, Chairman Honor Committee Hazik Bajwa leads the Jinnah, Liaquat, Iqbal and Sachal House. And from the left, the sports kite captain Ahmed Baktawar leads the Shabazz, Latif, Qasim and Ayub houses to the parade ground.
हाजरीन, अब परेड ग्राउंड में आठों हाउसेस के सफ़ेद वर्दियों में मलबूस कैडेट्स अपने अपने कैडेट कैप्टन की क़यादत में कदम से कदम मिलाए आप सबके सामने आ रहे हैं। इस दस्ते के दाएं जानिब से स्पोर्ट्स कैडेट कैप्टन अहमद बख्तावर क़यादत कर रहे हैं, जबकि बाएं जानिब से चेयरमैन ऑनर कमेटी आज़िक मसूद बाजवा क़यादत के फ़राइज़ अंजाम दे रहे हैं।
With the beat of the drum, they march in. Their firm steps indicate that they are bound to be the leaders. They are the followers of one Allah and one Rasul. Wearing white uniform, they march in with complete coordination and perfect timing. Their white uniform represents their determination, character and sobriety. In their veins run the blood of Tariq bin Zayad, Tipu Sultan and Muhammad bin Qasim. They are the next generation, the future of our nation. The beat of the drum signals parade for the dressing of the rows. Ladies and gentlemen, now the parade commander cautions the guard and flag party to march in.
Guard commander! Azadi guard! Guard!
Ladies and gentlemen, proclaiming Allahu Akbar, the superbly dressed college guard marches in. The guard marches with the perfect timing of steps with absolute coordination. This outstanding display of march is the outcome of hard work and perspiring efforts put by the cadets and our drill instructors. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see with the beat of the drum, the guard and flag party is moving towards the respective position. Ladies and gentlemen, you all are requested to rise at your seat in the honor of Pakistani flag, and the uniformed personnel are requested to salute the Pakistan flag. The holder of national flag is Cadet Qazi Ammar. The holder of college flag is Cadet Ali Ahmed. Behind him, the 5 rifle squads. They are Cadet Uzair, Cadet Zain, Cadet Ehtisham, Cadet Ali Arslan, Cadet Usman Ilahi. Cadet Uzaifa leads the party. He is the party commander. Now, the guard commander cautions the guard for the dressing of rows. Ladies and gentlemen, the drill instructor who trains the cadets are Petty Officer Rana Nafis and Havaldar Wasim. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Commander Karachi and Chairman Board of Governors, Rear Admiral Asif Khalik, Hilal-e-Imtiaz Military. He has arrived in the parade ground. Welcome him with huge applause.
ख़वातीनो हजरात इस्तकबाल कीजिए कमांडर कराची रियर एडमिरल आसिफ खालिक हिलाल इम्तियाज मिलिट्री तशरीफ ला चुके हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, the burglars announce the arrival of the Honorable Chief Guest. Here he arrives. You can see the member of college riding team escort him. The riding team members are Cadet Ubaidullah, Cadet Uzair, Cadet Azan Ali, Cadet Mir Hassan, Cadet Sayyid Tawfiq, Cadet Farhan Baluch, Cadet Sajjad, Cadet Asad, Cadet Shariar, Cadet Saud Hussain, Cadet Muhammad Jushe, Cadet Ali Hassan, Cadet Zishan Baluch and Cadet Sayyid Hudair. Ladies and gentlemen, the principal accompanies the Honorable Chief Guest. The guard presents arms. Ladies and gentlemen, the guard commander, Cadet Abdul Khalik, requests the Honorable Chief Guest to inspect the guard. The permission is granted by the Honorable Chief Guest. The escorting pilots, Cadet Raja Ali and Cadet Habibullah, escort him to the ranks.
हाजरीन तकरीब, अब मेहमान खास गार्ड कमांडर अब्दुल खालिक और पायलट्स कैडेट राजा अली और कैडेट हबीबुल्लाह के हमरा कॉलेज गार्ड के मुआयने के लिए तशरीफ ले जा रहे हैं।
The inspection of the guard is over. Ladies and gentlemen, now the principal introduces the honorable chief guest to the teaching and military staff. The introduction to the teaching and military staff is over. The principal escorts the honorable chief guest to his seat. Now, Cadet Faraz of class first year will recite few verses from the Holy Quran. Ladies and gentlemen, Cadet Faraz.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل تعالوا أتل ما حرم ربكم عليكم ألا تشركوا به شيئا وبالوالدين وبالوالدين إحسانا ولا تقتلوا أولادكم من إملاق نحن نرزقكم وإياهم ولا تقربوا الفواحش ما ظهر منها وما بطن ولا تقتلوا النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ذلكم وصاكم به لعلكم تعقلون
तर्जुमा अल्लाह ताला के नाम से शुरू करता हूँ जो निहायत रहम करने वाला है। आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम फरमा दीजिए कि अल्लाह ताला के साथ किसी और को शरीक करना हराम है और ये कि वालिदैन के साथ हुस्ने सुलूक से पेश आओ और ये कि रिज़्क़ की कमी के खौफ से अपनी औलाद को कत्ल ना करो क्योंकि वही सबको रिज़्क़ देने वाली वाहिद ज़ात है और ये कि बेहयाई के कामों से दूर रहो चाहे वो ज़ाहिरी हों या बातनी और किसी को कत्ल ना करो। ये सब तुम्हारी नसीहत के लिए है ताकि तुम दानाई सीखो।
सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम।
Ladies and gentlemen, now the principal, Cadet College Pitaro, Commodore Mehboob Ilahi Malik, Sitare Imtiaz Military, welcomes the honorable chief guest, the parents, and presents the annual report. Ladies and gentlemen, the principal.
मोअज़्ज़िज़ हाज़रीन, अब कॉलेज के सरबराह कमोडोर महबूब इलाही मलिक सितारा इम्तियाज़ मिलिट्री खुतबा इस्तकबालिया पेश करेंगे।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Mr. Sayyid Murad Ali Shah, Honorable Chief Minister of Sindh, Rear Admiral Asif Khalik, Hilal Imtiaz Military, Commander Karachi and Chairman Board of Governors, respectable distinguished guests, parents, naval, military and police officers, ladies and gentlemen, cadets on the parade, Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of Chairman Board of Governors, myself, staff and cadets of Cadet College Pitaro, I warmly welcome the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Sayyid Murad Ali Shah, and our distinguished guest on the occasion of 57th Parents' Day. Ladies and gentlemen, since its inception, Cadet College Pitaro has been providing great services in the field of education. Over the years, college has transformed into a modern educational institution. It has latest educational facilities and conducive learning environment. The college alumni is spread across the globe and holding very prestigious positions in various professional fields. Now I shall present the annual report of Cadet College Pitaro. First, the academics. Alhamdulillah, with the dedicated efforts of our faculty and hard work of our students, we have been able to achieve 100% pass result in SSC Part 2 Hyderabad Board. Out of 127 cadets, 86 got A1 grade and 37 secured A grade. Cadet Shanur Rahman secured position amongst the top 10 position in the entire Hyderabad board. In HSC Part 2 Hyderabad board, the overall result was also 100%. Out of 173 students, 9 got A1 grade and 76 secured A grade. Our two cadets, Cadet Mubashir and Cadet Wajahatullah Khan, secured position amongst top 10 position in the entire Hyderabad board. In federal board also, our result was better. In metric examination, the overall result was 100%. Out of 37 students, 29 secured A1 grade. And in the first year examination, the result was even also 100%. out of 38 students, 12 got A1 grade and 12 got A grade. In Cambridge